Okay, now I'm going to show you how to reset your Google Home Mini. So what you want to do is go and flip it upside down, and you're going to see a little circle right below the power adapter, and you're going to want to hold that button for 15 to 20 seconds. So you're going to hold that down.
You're about to completely reset Google Home. To cancel, release the button.
And go ahead and let go, and it's going to be doing its reset process now. Once it powers down, you're going to get 4 little dots just confirming that the factory reset's completing, and you're set to give it to somebody now, and you're all done.
Welcome to Google Home. To get